What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to fix the rotor being stuck on your Petlibro RFID automatic cat feeder. So you can see it tried to feed my cat, but the rotor is stuck, and usually we'll see kibble piled up here, but for some reason we're not. Maybe the problem is up here. So we're going to want to stick our hand in both up here and down here. Don't worry, the rotor's not going to move or get your hands caught. You just free up whatever kibble is stuck, and then you click dispense food and it'll dispense a tiny amount of food. It'll work, and then the error will go away. And thankfully, we don't need the app or to bring the cat here to do this. We can just do this from the machine. We don't have to do anything crazy. It's nice and simple. One thing I wanted to point out is I removed the plastic guards on either side of this thing just to give my cats more freedom to come and eat from the sides if they want. Make it more welcoming, because initially they were a little weirded out by this whole contraption, and ever since I removed those, they've liked this machine. So anyways, let's get back into fixing this. So let me just open the top up here with one hand if I can. All right, let's take a look what we got in here. So I would recommend just sticking your hand in and just moving the kibble around, just stirring it, especially in the middle where the rotor is. That is where it's going to be stuck, so just move it around, right? That should be fine. I don't have too much kibble in here. It can be full. Just make sure you stick your hand down the middle and just move it around there so it's just not stuck. Now we're going to put this back up on top here, and we're going to actually open the door to this and just stick our hand in there and to free up whatever kibble we can feel in there. So let's do that. First things first, we have to unlock the buttons here, because if you press anything, it's going to say buttons locked.
Buttons locked.
So let's unlock the buttons. Press the unlock here, hold it for 3 seconds.
Buttons unlocked.
And now you can press the open door button. So now it is opening the door to the cat feeder. And we can now stick our hand in here and free up all the stuck kibble. There it is. Look at that. And just like that, all of it came out. It'll still give you the error until you try to dispense food again. So let's do that. It's gonna say rotor stuck. It's not stuck. I just freed it up. So you have to unlock the buttons again. So hold this for 3 seconds.
Buttons unlocked.
And then press feed. And there we go. The rotor is no longer blocked. And Belly Woman is our nickname for our fat cat. Ignore that. But yeah, there you go. The error is gone now. There's some kibble residue there because it got caught and it grinded up the kibble a bit. But, you know, I'll clean that up later. Anyways, why this happens is because the kibble pieces we use are actually a little too big. You can see they're also not round. There's some of them are like heart-shaped. Some of them are triangular. We put her on some diet kibble, but it's too big for this machine, and sometimes the rotor gets caught and it doesn't dispense it all the way down. That is also a design flaw. You know, it could also spit it out more when it's dispensing it, but otherwise the machine is great. Like, my cats now are blocked off from eating each other's food. They each have their own special type of food. My fat cat has her diet food, and the other cat has his smaller kibble, and it's regular. So that actually processes a lot better through the machine. I run into this a lot less often, but with hers, because of her big pieces of kibble, I run into this. So that's how you fix it. You just move it up there, stick your hand in there, just wiggle until all the kibble just comes out. Anyways, guys, that is how you unblock the rotor for your Petlibro RFID cat feeder, automatic cat feeder. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.